Okay, so indirect reflection is where light comes from the light source, bounces off another surface, then hits the product, and then makes its way into the camera. Hence, indirect. Now, this causes what I described earlier, ambient lighting. So ambient lighting has a lot less contrast to it. There's less opportunity for glare or hotspot. We get this kind of lighting where we're using bounce cards, or there's walls or things in our environment where the light hits off the wall, the bounce card, and then lights our product or subject. An example of this, like I've shown you before, is I keep this white card here on my right side. What's happening is light's coming in from here, bouncing off here, hitting me, and then going into the camera, and that's what's giving an indirect reflection. Whereas the light that's coming from here, hitting me, and bouncing straight into the camera, that's a direct reflection. So when we want to use this is, as I said before, if we've got a metallic surface or something where we're trying to avoid any hotspots or glare, we want a really even distribution of light. What we can do is we can set the light up to hit a secondary surface and then bounce back onto the product or subject. And another thing we can do is we can even block the light source. So put like a black flag or something like that in between the light source and the subject, make sure that it comes from the light source, blocked by the black flag, bounces off our whiteboard or our wall, then hits the product. And that'll give us a very diffuse, low contrast, very soft, ambient lighting. And we can go even further, and we can use an indirect light source, and we can put a diffuser, so a scrim or trace paper like I described in the lighting section, in between that, creating an even softer look.